Ohio law requires counties to make sure septic systems are maintained, but how that's done and what it costs varies from county to county. That means if you live in Mahoning County, you're paying fees that some of your neighbors aren't. I spoke with the health department officials who are not only defending the program, but also calling out the state for how it's been handled. Since 2015, Ohio has required every county health district to have an operation and maintenance program for household sewage treatment systems. But the state left it up to each county to decide how to run the program and how much to charge. In Mahoning, homeowners pay between $40 and $125 a year, or $90 every 3 years, depending on their system type. Trumbull's fees often lower, with some paying $25 every 3 years, but $175 for more complicated systems. Columbiana County has no recurring fees at all. Inspections are tied to property sales, installations, or complaints. Mahoning County Public Health says fees are necessary to run a strong program, even if it looks different than their neighbors. A health rep points out Trumbull County charges more for a complicated system more common there, while Mahoning's higher rates are tied to systems more common in Mahoning.
I would be willing to bet where the total amount the fees are bringing in are probably about the same. The program has to be paid for somehow, and some departments that use reduced fees or something like that, they may have levies that help pay for that.
Fees cover inspections, lab testing, and administration. Mahoning is also implementing a new tracking software to monitor systems more efficiently. But Masters says the program has been a challenge from the start. The state provided no funding, no uniform standards, and no clear timelines for phasing in older systems, something he says they've repeatedly asked the Ohio Department of Health to fix.
The reality is that would have made things so much easier for us to be able to say, okay, well, the state has determined your fee is this much. The state has said this, and that would have helped, again, create that uniformity we're really looking for across the district.
Now, Mahoning also says there's no surplus from this program, and he also tells me the program is audited every year.